This video we'll be looking at floors. So when we're trying to model floors, we're going to go to an architecture tab and you're going to see the floors button. You can customize the shortcut. I prefer to use FL, just easier to remember. If you press the button here, it's going to use an architectural floor. Now, if you expand, there's going to be other options. There's structural floor, floor by face, floor slab edge. The slab edge, as you can see there, it's something a bit of like a sweep that simply just attaches to the edge of the floor or slab to add details such as what you see there. The floor by face is something that's used for masses. If you're early on in a project and using conceptual masses to do programming or massing studies, you can still use this feature to apply real materials to a mass floor. And the main function here is that it enables the structural analytical model, but there's really no other distinction between this and architectural floor in terms of the options that you'll get once you're actually modeling it. So being an architecture, I'm going to click on floor architectural. Now when you're starting to sketch, it always defaults to picking walls, and that's fine. Unless you need a little bit more refinement in how the sketch goes in. So if I wanted to just pick walls, I'll just go in and go to a plane view. You can see here, depending on which side of the wall you're clicking, it's gonna throw in some dashed lines letting you know that's where the sketch is gonna be. So if I know that I need the floor to only go as far as the inside, then that's what I would do. Now, if you start the wrong way, right, it's going to keep going the wrong way, regardless of which side you click. But you always have the option of clicking the flip button, and as you keep going, right, there you go. Now, in a situation like this, oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm going to click this one. That's just a curtain wall that's nested, so it's a little bit inside. Now in a situation like this, you're going to want to just trim your corners. So TR to trim the corner, and that's a default shortcut. Before I hit done, I just want to confirm that my level is correct. There's no height offset, make sure it's room bounding, and I don't need to set this up as a structural floor. Now when this pops up, all it is asking is, because there's walls that fall below the floor, do you want to attach the top? So unless you know for sure that that's what you want to do, just hit don't attach. As you can see here, I have concrete foundation walls. I potentially don't want the floor to go over it. However, if that is what I want to do, then I would just click attach. And you'll see that the foundation walls now go below the floor. Now, if that's the wrong thing and you're tasked with fixing it, you're simply going to select your foundation walls, detach, select the floor, and then go in and offset by clicking the flip symbol. You can see as soon as I selected a sketch, it showed the flip. Hit done here. And again, I'm going to say no attach. And that's a basic overview of sketching a floor. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Head over to bimdad.com and let us know. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. See you in the next one.